Is your Steam library looking a little sparse and disorganized because your game icons have vanished into thin air? Don't worry, we've all been there. And today, we're going to fix that frustratingly blank space. Our first culprit is often a corrupted Steam download cache. Let's clear that out right now. Open up your Steam client now, hover over Steam in the top left corner, and click on Settings. In the Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Downloads. Click on that. Here, you'll find a button that says Clear Download Cache. Give that a click. Steam will prompt you to log back in, and after that, your icon should start to reappear as it refreshes the necessary files. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, the next common issue is with the integrity of your game files themselves. This is especially common after a game update. Go back to your Steam library, right-click on a game that's missing its icon from the menu that pops up, select Properties. In the Game's Properties window, look for the Local Files tab and click on it. Now, you'll see a button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this. Steam will then check all the files for that particular game and replace any that are missing or corrupted, which can often restore the missing icon. Repeat this process for any other games experiencing the same issue. With these steps, your Steam library should be back to its visually appealing and organized glory in no time.